The phrase, "In God We Trust," first appeared on U.S. coins with the 1864 2-cent piece, prompted by increased religious sentiment during the Civil War. It was a result of citizen appeals to Treasury Secretary Salmon P. Chase to recognize the deity on currency. Since then, the motto has appeared on U.S. coins, becoming the official national motto in 1956 and mandatory on all U.S. coins and paper money by law in 1955. Origin: during the Civil War, a minister urged Secretary of the Treasury Salmon P. Chase to put a reference to God on U.S. currency. First appearance: the motto, first proposed as "God Our Trust," appeared on the 2-cent piece in 1864, which was the first U.S. coin to feature it. Spread: the mint began including the motto on most coins where it could fit starting in 1865, though its appearance varied on different denominations for several decades. National motto: legislation in 1955 required, "In God We Trust," to be on all U.S. coins and paper money. Official motto: the phrase was officially adopted as the national motto in 1956.